What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and today I want to do a quick unboxing because this came in the mail later today after I did my walking this morning. But the thing is, I want to try to start using it and see if it's gonna benefit me. They give me a little extra resistance on my workout. So this one right here, I got it from Amazon. So it came in the box. It got a little weight to it, to tell you the truth. Got a little weight to it, but you know, that's what it's for. What it is, let me see. Check it out. There you go. A weighted vest. So, this month I'm doing a lot of walking. I'm walking this month and I'm riding my bike. So it's gonna be, depending on the weather, I'm gonna go outside. If I walk, if the weather is bad, I'm gonna ride the bike. And some days I'm gonna do both. So, but at the same time, I wanted to get something that's gonna give me a little bit more resistance and burn a little bit more calories by wearing a weighted vest. So that's the reason why I got this. Let me pull it out. This right here is a 12-pound vest. So let me show you. Let me try to lower it down some for you. £12 vest. Let's see how I feel. This thing just got some weight to it though. Cause normally I be wanting to do some workout with a vest on. I just never had a chance to get it. Just lock it in. Got two of them on here. What I could do, yeah. I don't know what this is, but I could tighten it up right here. So if I'm trying, I guess if I do a workout, it'd be all nice and snug. I wish I had like a phone pouch so I could record, have it on. And that way I could record while I'm walking and stuff or something like that. I could just invest in one of those. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna start walking around with. It's I think they have like a 8-pound, I think they had 6 pounds, 8 pounds, 12 pounds, 20 pounds on this right here. And I wanted to start off with this one because I got to test it out first, you know what I mean? But I will have the description I will have the link in the description on which one that I got. So if you want to get something like this or similar, you can. But just remember, whatever you do, do it at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee, I holla.